we're just going to complete this. As you can see, I already did. Yeah, we were so close to each other, so let's just start. I am literally on PC right now. I guess you can hear my clicks. It's been like 2 seconds and I'm already here. Ignore that some sounds. Sorry. I'm shocked I made it though. I think I'm halfway. I'm sweating. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, I made it. Literally, I made it. That was too easy, lol. Why this doesn't update? Can you update right now, real quick? Anyway, there we go. I'm on first place on this server. This is actually real cool because it's my first time doing this without cheats. Actually, on my old accounts, I kind of cheat, but it's not much. I just infinitely click jump where I don't even have to click it. This one, for me, it's impossible. I remembered when QCrap already did this, lol. I think he's like keys. I don't know what key though. Anyway. You may cannot see my arrow right now, but I am literally on PC. I wanna prove it though. So let me click jump so hard. For sure you can hear it. I click it so hard that I think I break it, lol. Can you even pass this? It's not possible for me. Dude, why is bro walking? Oh my gosh, I can also walk. What are you doing though? We are hackers. Get out of here. This is so funny. Anyway, I'm also clicking the mouse pretty hard. Yeah. Dude, why did the ship button appear? I'm not sure. I will try to record on this PC, but only every Saturdays. It's Sunday right now though. But my mom allows me for Saturdays. If I don't computer for Saturdays, maybe on Sundays or other day. Let's try to complete that. That's going to be easy. I'm literally using my other hand. No. Sticky keys just appeared. Like, I will just minimize it. Okay? Man? Why can't I do this? I'm just spam clicking it. It might break or something. No, man. No way, that just happened. I'm still walking forward. Dude. I guess I'm proving to you that I'm on computer because I don't have any joystick. I'm not also capturing because there is the leaderboard. Dude, okay. Why do I keep saying that? I'm not very sure, but I'm still trying this one. Please complete though. Okay, that was too easy, to be honest. Let me just go right here. I cannot really do those wall hops, like, yeah. It's pretty hard for me. Let me try the easy OB. I have a reward. Okay. I won't need this, but okay. This is so hard on PC, the easy OB. I normally can do it on my mom's phone. My phone broke, that's why. Please make this jump. No, bro, fell. I may actually use the gravity coil. This will be so useful though. Let me just jump at the right spot. Good. Okay. I'm with gravity coil and I still fail. That is so embarrassing, but bro is on gravity coil but cannot do this jump. I think everybody here has the gravity coil. No, I can't. Alright. Let me just go to the troll button. Was it there? I will troll them instead. Lol. Let me actually go faster. Bum. Hello guys. Let's see if those are trustworthy. I guess it is. Anyway, let me just jump. Alright. So that is guys. I hope you enjoyed this wall hopping video. And if you did, please like and subscribe. And bye bye.